In this case, you got a very diverse economy with multiple jobs, multiple reasons why governments are going to be pumping money into certain sectors as well, especially healthcare sector that's always going to be booming, the manufacturing sector that's booming in Salisbury, the defense force that is never going to leave, and construction industry. We're a developing country. There's 250,000 people migrating to Australia every single year. So these people need a place to live, and construction's always going to be there. When you look at Salisbury, there's a $4 billion defense force project. There's a $1.9 billion park precinct that they're building there, an $840 million train line project. The list goes on. The demand there of work that's being created, it's happening for a reason. And there's strong population as well. It's got a very strong internal migration as well. That there is going to create a lot of pressure on the property market because it's an established area. It's not a new estate. They can't just go build properties on the outer fringe suburbs because there's already other suburbs or other regions or LGAs surrounding it. It's just going to create more pressure on the property market.